Welcome to the Cybertrust Family Monitoring Project. This video is about Microsoft Family. Like many monitoring products, Microsoft Family supports setting screen time limits, web filtering, some alerts, and notifications. It is unique among such products in that it also provides controls for its Xbox gaming platform. The product works with PCs, Android and Apple phones, and Xbox devices. However, Apple devices have notable limitations. Unless their available functions meet your family's needs, Android phones are the recommended option. Here is a detailed breakdown of platforms and versions of products that will support Microsoft Family. Isha and Jai are happy children in a high-tech family with an engineer father and a teacher mother. Jai loves the Xbox he got for Christmas, but is so fixated on it that it's hard to prize him away. Isha spends much of her time on her phone, and their parents are becoming concerned about managing the emerging tensions. Instead of banning the devices, they decide to implement a monitoring tool that includes Jai's Xbox. Let's start the installation. Open your device's App Store. Search for Microsoft Family and click to download and install the app. The app message appears, and there are a few screens showing what the product aims to do. Respond to the requests on the screen and accept notifications. You can now add your children's details using their email address or by creating an Outlook account in the app. You may need to try several options before moving to setting a password. Best practice suggests involving your child in the setup process to reassure them that you are not simply snooping. Choose a password with Jay and Isha that they will both understand and remember, and that they should never share their password with anyone. You now need to enter each child's location, date of birth, and full name. You then need to complete the security checks to allow the account to be created. You are now at the end of the process with a final consent to give system access to Jai and Isha's accounts. You are then asked whether your child can access non-Microsoft apps. Usually, you would allow this option. There are a wide range of apps both children might want on their phone. On completing the installation process for each child, both names will appear on your dashboard. Let's look at Isha's monitoring page. It shows the devices she can use. Each device must be configured to join the family group, with step-by-step instructions provided on its panel. Jai has an identical page, and you can check these pages once data starts to flow at any time. We can now set up Microsoft Family on Jai and Isha's phone. From their device, go to the App Store and download the app. Once this is done, we can begin to configure the monitoring rules. Log in to the child's account using the address you created previously. Click to approve the options that follow to enable various functions. We also need to enable the app itself, so follow the sequence until all the steps are complete. An important setting transfers control of the child's phone to Microsoft Family. Click Allow to configure monitoring and control of the device. In the event you need to access your child's phone to make changes, you can choose one of the options here to do that. The next steps will allow capture of data from the children's device, including access to app data and certain admin services. First, we need to switch on the Permit Usage Access on. This allows Microsoft Family to access app data. The next steps will allow capture of data from the children's device, including access to app data and certain admin services. First, we need to switch on the Permit Usage Access on. This allows Microsoft Family to access app data. You can log into your Microsoft Family on any device, and setting up the various time management and monitoring tools can be easier to do than on a mobile phone. Let's look at Jai's homepage. It shows 3 devices: Jai's phone, your phone, and the laptop displaying the page. We've chosen to apply settings to a Windows device, since the family shares a laptop with individual profiles for each person. Here we can set a daily time limit along with schedules that allow access in periods when Jai should be concentrating on something else. Here we can set a daily time limit along with schedules that allow Jai access at times that won't interfere with such things as school periods or after bedtime. It is easier to set timings for all days and then alter times for weekends. You can also view Jai and Isha's homepage from your phone. Data is beginning to appear, but nothing shows yet for Windows or Jai's Xbox, as they still need setup. On his mobile panels, you can see screen time for the past 7 days, plus app and web activity. You can also make changes to the usage time and schedules we saw earlier when we were adjusting Isha's via the web browser. You can now apply controls to apps on your child's device. You can block or unblock apps. Blocked apps are at the bottom of the list. You can also set time schedules for each app. For web searches, you need to install the Microsoft Edge browser and block the Google and Chrome app. Microsoft Family only monitors its own browser. You can also set the browser to allow approved sites or to block sites that you decide are unsuitable. This page also presents a list of searches that have been carried out and flags up terms that may be unsuitable or of concern. You can then investigate further.